Hi everyone, welcome back to 9th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter new numbers and our next subheading is multiplication. Multiplication of new numbers. In the previous section we learned how to add and subtract the new numbers. Now next is multiplication. Okay. Here multiplication means I told you new numbers can be of the form root x, root y, root z, etc, etc. Okay, all these are what new numbers. Now how to multiply this? Okay, for that, if root x into root y, okay, suppose we have to multiply a new number root x and root y. X and y can be any number. Okay, suppose it is to multiply, what we need to do here, take a complete root. Okay, complete root. Inside that root, x and y both are different numbers. Okay, so x into y, this is a format. Okay, root x into root y means it is root of x into y. For example, if root 2 into root 3, okay, suppose we have to multiply root 2 and root 3, then answer will be whole root of 2 and 3. Okay, 2 into 3, like this, 2 into 3. That means root 6 will be the answer. Okay, root 6 will be answer of root 2 into root 3. Okay, whatever be the value, just multiply the numbers inside the root value. Okay, now suppose if numbers are like this, root x into root x. Okay, if it is like this, here you can see that both are same numbers. Okay, x and x. In this case, answer will be x itself. Okay, x, because root x into root x means it will be root x square. Okay, root of x into x is x square. I already told you root and x, if it is come together, we can cancel that and we can write the answer as what? X itself. Okay, for example, if root 2 into root 2, okay, if it is like this, root 2 into root 2, answer will be 2. Okay, because root of 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is what? 4. Root 4 is what? 2. Whatever be the number, if new numbers are same, okay, if new numbers are same, their product will be that number itself without the root value. Okay, these are the main thing you have to remember when you do the multiplication of new numbers. Okay, now let's move on to problems. Page number 57. Here is your first question. Of four equal equilateral triangles, two cut vertically into halves and two whole are put together to make a rectangle. Okay, if a side of the equilateral triangle is 1 meter, what is the area and the perimeter of the rectangle? Okay, by using four equilateral pieces, one rectangle is created. This question we have given four equilateral triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four equilateral triangle with a side as 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter here, 1 here, 1. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Okay, this also 1 meter. Okay, here it is first two equilateral triangles are divided vertically. Okay, vertically divided into two equal halves. Okay, these two triangles. So when you divide it into equal halves, this base will also be divided into equal. Okay, so total 1 meter means this will be half meter, this will also be half meter. Okay, this also same, here half, here also half. Okay, now next question is, by joining all these pieces, here we have one rectangle. Okay, by joining all these four pieces, okay, not four pieces, total four equilateral triangles, first two are divided into equal halves, so total 4 here, 2 here, so total 6 pieces are there. Okay, by joining all these, a rectangle is made. Next is, we have to find the area and perimeter of this particular rectangle. Okay, area means what? Area is length into breadth, that means we need this length portion and this breadth portion. Then perimeter means sum of all the sides. So let's compare these figures first. Here you can see one triangle here, second triangle here. Okay, so these two triangles are these two. Okay, with the one as the side. So here this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, this is 1, this is 1, and this portion is also what? 1 meter. Okay, that means what we can say, the breadth of this rectangle is 1 meter because it is a side of this equilateral triangle. Okay, breadth is same as side of the equilateral triangle. Next we have to find the length. Okay, so for that check this figure, these two. Okay, here this portion, let's consider this portion. Okay, here this portion is same as this one. Okay, this is same as this portion. I'm going to mark it as A, B, center O. Okay, here this AB portion, this AB portion is the same as altitude of this equilateral triangle. Okay, altitude portion, because you can see total is what? 1 meter here. That means from this point to this O point. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so here this FO and OA are what? Equal. This is half and this is half. That means this half portion is the same as this one base portion, then this one. Okay, this is what? Altitude. That means this altitude 90 degree here. Okay, this also 90 degree. That means this FC portion and this AB portion is the same as altitude of this equilateral triangle. Okay, when you find altitude, we can say that that altitude is the same as half length of this rectangle. Okay, so let's consider this portion. Okay, only one portion let's consider. Here this is 90 degree and this is base half, hypotenuse is what? 1 meter, this one. Okay, now we have to find the altitude. What is the equation? Altitude equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square, because Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now that is equal to root of h square is what? 1, side is 1 meter. Okay, so 1 square minus base is what? Half, so half whole square. Okay, next is simplification, that is 1 square is 1 minus half square means 1 square 1 by 2 square is what? 4. Okay, next is what? Cross multiplication. We have to simplify this, so that is equal to 1 into 4, 4 minus this 1 divided by 4. Okay, like this. Here no number, that means we will consider it as 1. Okay, so 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 4, 4. So answer is 4 minus 1 is 3. So root of 3 by 4. Okay, so root of 3 by 4 is what? Altitude. This portion is root of 3 by 4. This is the answer. Okay, so altitude we got. That altitude is the same as what? Half portion of length. That means AB is root 3 by 4. This also what? Same, root 3 by 4. Okay, now length will be what? Breadth is the same as what? 1 meter. Okay, now length equal to root 3 by 4 and root 3 by 4. So root 3, here whole root 3. Okay, here also it is whole root 3. So root 3 by 4 plus whole root 3 by 4. Okay, now we have to add. Total 2 root 3 by 4 are there. Okay, so answer will be what? Whole root 3 by 4. How many root 3 by 4 here? So 2. So 2 whole root of 3 by 4. Now here you can take this by 4 outside, because root 3 by 4 we can write like this. Root 3 by root 4. Okay, that you will learn the next section. Anyway, I am just explaining. Okay, so root 3 by root 4. So this one you can write as 2 root 3. Root 4 is what? root 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. Like this you can write. Okay. Now here this 2 and 2 we can cancel, and the final answer will be root 3 meter. Okay, root 3 meter. That means length of this rectangle is root 3 and breadth is 1 meter. Okay, root 3 by 4 we can split as root 3 by root 4. Okay, you can give this root to both these numbers. Okay, so root 4 answer we know 2. That's why I write it as 2. Okay, now 2 and 2 cancel. Answer is root 3. Okay, length and breadth we got. Next we have to find the area and perimeter. So here we got length as root 3 and breadth as 1 meter. So here next one, area. Area equation. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. That means root 3 into 1. So answer will be what? Root 3 meter square. Okay. Root 3 into 1. 1 into root 3 anyway it is root 3 meter square. Next is perimeter. Perimeter is what? Length and breadth. If we know, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So answer will be 2 into length is what? Root 3. So root 3 plus breadth is what? 1. Okay. Like this. Now we can apply the approximate value. What is the approximate value of root 3? Approximate value of root 3 is 1.73 plus 1. Okay. So answer will be 1.73 plus 1 will be 2.73. So it is approximately equal to 2 into 2.73. Okay, 2 into 2.73. When you multiply this, you will get the answer as 2 into 2. That is 5.46 meter. Okay, so 5.46 is the perimeter of this rectangle and the area is root 3 meter square. Okay, this is the first one answer. Next is question number 2. A square and an equilateral triangle of sides twice as long are cut and the pieces are rearranged to form a trapezium as shown below. If a side of the square is 2 cm, what are the perimeter and area of the trapezium? Okay, one square and one equilateral triangle. By using that, one trapezium is created. We have to find area and perimeter of that trapezium. Here we have one square. Okay, one square with 2 centimeter and next with one equilateral triangle. Okay, side is not given, but it is given that length of one side is twice that of the square. Okay, twice means double. Okay, so here 2 centimeter is a one side of square, means equilateral triangle's side will be what? Double. That is 2 into 2, 4 centimeter will be equilateral triangle's measurement. Okay, so 4 here, 4 here, base also total 4 and it is divided into 2 equal halves. That's why 2 here, 2 here. Okay, now by joining all these parts, a trapezium is made. Okay, a trapezium. Here we have to find area and perimeter of this trapezium. So here when you check these two pieces, okay, when you check these two parts, this black portion, you can see that these two are these two parts. Okay, square parts. That means this base here it will be 2. Here also what? 2. Okay, now we need to find area and perimeter. What is area's equation? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equation is half into h into a plus b. This is the equation. That means a is upper part, b is upper part and lower part, a and b. Okay, parallel lines. Height means this height. Okay, all these measurement we need in order to find the area, and to find the perimeter all the parts we need, this portion, this portion, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so for that let's consider the next triangle also. Okay, when you check these two pieces, you can see these two are the same parts. Okay, now 90 degrees here, that 90 degrees here. That means these two are the perpendicular sides. Okay, here in this perpendicular side only base we have, that is 2. Okay, this is the altitude portion that is missing. Now here this 2 will be which portion of this one? This is the part, and altitude we don't know. Altitude means this perpendicular portion. Okay. So here this altitude is the same as this portion that we don't know. Next, this portion is the same as height of the trapezium. That means this portion is 2. Okay, this is 2 as it is a part of square. Okay, so 2 here, 2 here, we don't know this measurement. Okay, so that we have to find. Okay, now next we have to find this one, and we have to find A and B portion. These two portions we have to find. So let's consider first a square. Okay, square's hypotenuse let's find, then only we will get this portion. First of all, let's name it as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now in order to get this DE and AF, we have to find the hypotenuse of the first square. So let's consider square first. Okay, so in the square, hypotenuse is a missing portion. So what is the equation? Hypotenuse, Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse equal to base square plus altitude square. So that is equal to base and altitude both are same here, 2 square. So 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to root of 2 square is 4 plus again 4. So answer is root 8. Okay, so root 8 is a hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is root 8 centimeter. Okay, so that hypotenuse is the same as what? DE. Okay, so DE equal to, one more portion is there, that is AF. DE equal to AF equal to root 8. Okay, next we have to find FE and BC, both will be same. Okay, so in order to find that, that is altitude of equilateral triangle. Next we can consider triangle, equilateral triangle. Let's consider, in that altitude is the one what we need to find. So altitude equal to equation is hypotenuse square minus base square. What is hypotenuse there? Hypotenuse is given, that is 4. So 4 square is 16 minus base is what? 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. So 16 minus 4 equal to what? It is root 12. Okay, it is root 12 centimeter. Okay, so altitude is root 12. That means this BC equal to FE. FE also equal to what? Root 12. So we got root 12 here. Here also root 12. These two are root 8, and this also root 8. Now we got all the measurement. Now let's find area and perimeter. Area equation is half h into a plus b. H we have, that is height of the trapezium is 2. Now we need a and b. What is a? A equal to what? Any of the parallel side we can consider. Let's consider the base side. Okay, so here a to d is a portion. A, D. That is equal to what? 2 plus root 12. Okay, 2 plus root 12. Total of these three sides is what? Base. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is 4 plus root 12. 4 plus root 12 is what? A portion. Next is B portion. B measurement is what? Upper side, upper parallel side, that is FE. Okay, so FE already in correct measurement, that is root 12 centimeter. Okay, now let's find area. Area equal to half into H. H is what? Height, that is 2. Half into 2 into A plus B. A is what? 4 plus root 12. A is 4 plus root 12 plus B. B is what? Again root 12. Okay, now here 2 and 2 we can cancel. Okay, next remaining is what? 4 plus root 12 plus root 12. Here 4 plus root 12 plus root 12. How we will add this root 12 plus root 12? It will be 2 root 12. Okay, it is 2 root 12. Now here In order to simplify this, we have to split this root 12. That is 4 plus 2 into 12 is a multiplication of which two numbers? 4 into 3. Okay, so 4 into 3. Like this we can write 4 plus 2 root of 4 into 3. Why? Because here 4 we know. Okay, root 4 we know. That's why we split like this. 6 into 2 also possible, but 6 and 2 we don't know the root value. That's why we consider it as 4 into 3. Okay, now answer becomes 4 plus 2. Here root 4 into root 3. That also we can split like this. Root 4 into root 3. Like this. Okay, root 4 into root 3. Now what is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So 4 plus 2 into 2 into root 3. Okay. Now it is easy to apply the value. So here 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into root 3 value is 1.73. Okay, so this will be approximate value. 4 plus 4 into 1.73. Now we have to multiply 4 into 1.73 and we have to add this 4. So when you multiply this, you will get the answer as approximately equal to 4 plus 4 into 1.73. It is 6.92. Okay, when you multiply these two, you will get answer as 6.92. You can check. Okay, so when you add these two, answer is approximately equal to 10.92. Okay, centimeter square. Okay, so 10.92 centimeter square is the area of this trapezium. Okay, only calculation is there. Okay, when you add and multiply, just be careful. Root 12 plus root 12, it is what? When you add this, you have to write it as 2 root 12. Okay, when you multiply this, you can cancel that roots and we can write it as 12. But here it is adding. Okay, that's why 2 root 12. Now root 12 you have to split as 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Then root of 4 into 3 you can split as root 4 into root 3. Okay, then from that you have to open the root value if it is there. Okay, root 4 value is there, that's why 2. Next only multiplication with the approximate value. Okay, so area we got. Next is what? Perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, so here AD, then DE, EF, AF. All the sides you have to add. That is base is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus root 12, then root 8, then again root 12, then root 8. Now we have to add this. So 4 plus root 12 here, root 12 here. Total how many root 12s are there? 2 root 12s are there. So 2 root 12. Okay. Plus root 8 also 2 root 8s are there. So 2 root 8. Okay. Now we can split. That is 4 plus, here don't add these two. 4 and 2 you can't add because here root 12 is there along with the 2. But here root 12 is not there along with 4. So not possible to add directly. We have to split it as 2 root of previous case 12 was 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Like this we can split. Next also you can split as root 8 is what? 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, like that. Next is take the 4 outside. So 2 into root 4. Root 4 is what? 2. So 2 balances root 3 inside the 3 inside the root. So 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 into root 4. 4 outside the root, it will be 2. Then root 2, like this. Okay, next we can multiply. That is 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 12. Okay, now we can apply the approximate value. That is 4 plus 4 into root 3 approximate value 1.73 plus 4 into root 2 approximate value is 1.41. Next you can do by multiplying these number these number, then add all, you will get the final answer. Okay, try to do that perimeter. Next question, calculate the perimeter and area of the triangle in the picture. One triangle is given with one side as 4 cm, two angle also given. You have to find area and perimeter of this triangle. Here we have to find the area and perimeter of this triangle ABC. Okay, two angles are given, 60 degree and 75 degree, and one base side also given. This side is 4 centimeter. Okay, this also given. We have to find area and perimeter. So in order to find area, we need what? Height also we need. Half page is the equation. Okay, height we need. Now in order to find the perimeter, we need these two sides also. Okay, so for that we can draw a perpendicular line. Okay, because 60 degree here, 75 degree here. We learn the ratio concept, 30 60 90 and 45 45 90 ratio we learn. Okay, so in order to apply that ratio, we have to draw a perpendicular line from the base. Means here base you have to consider as AC. Okay, and upper vertex as B, because here 75 degree, we have to change this is 75 degree and 160 degree is here. Okay, so in order to get 30 60 90 degree, perpendicular line must be here. Okay, you have to draw a perpendicular line like this. Here DB is a perpendicular line. Now when you check this, you can see that 60 degree here, this is 90 degree, then this angle will be what? This will be 30 degree. Okay, now total is 75 degree, one portion 30 means remaining will be 45 degree. Okay, remaining will be 45 degree. So 90 here, 45 here, this angle will also be 45. Okay, like this we can mark. Now we can apply the ratio. What is the ratio? 30 60 90. Starting itself we learned that. Okay, 30 60 90 ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This is the ratio. That means 30 opposite is 1, 60 opposite root 3 and 90 opposite 2. So let's check. 30 here, 30 opposite here. That means DA will be what? 1. This is not side ratio. Okay, now 60 opposite is root 3. That means this portion will be root 3. Okay, so AD is to root 3 is DB is to next 90 opposite, that is AB. Okay, AB is what? 2. Okay, like this. So 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now when you check the question, you can see that AB is given as 4 centimeter. Okay, AB is given as 4 centimeter, given like this. Okay, but in our ratio concept, AB is what? 2. Okay, AB is according to the ratio 2, but in the question it is given that 4. That means a change is happening. What change? 2 is multiplied to a particular number in order to get 4. Which number? 2 into what is 4? 2 into what is 4? 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, that means the same into 2 you have to give on to these two portions. That means 1 into 2 and root 3 into 2. That means AD becomes 1 into 2, that is 2 is to root 3 also multiply with 2, that is 2 is to 2 root 3 is to 4. That means the side AD equal to what? 2. It will be 2. So 2, 4, then 2 root 3. Okay, these are the measurement. Okay, by considering the first ratio concept. Similarly, we have to consider the next ratio, that is 45 45 90. What is 45 45 90? It is 1 is to root 2. 1 is to root 2. Now check here. DB is given as 2 root 3. Okay, that we found DB as 2 root 3. That means 45 opposite. Here when you check, opposite angle is what? 45. So 45 opposite is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 here. Okay, then next to 45 opposite will also be what? 2 root 3. Okay, same will be. So here also 2 root 3. So 1 is to root 2. So root 2 means here we multiply 2 root 3 with this one and 2 root 3 with this one. That means this root 2 also must be multiplied with what? 2 root 3. That is 2 root 3 into root 2. Like this we have to write it. Okay, because ratio wise 1 is to root 2, but in the question 45 opposite side is 2 root 3. That is 1 changes to 2 root 3. That means 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Same here also we have to give, because in these two portion we give 2 root 3. So root 2 also we have to give 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 into root 2 is this side CB. Okay, CB will be 2 into root 3 into root 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 root 6. Like this we can write. Now it is easy to find the area and perimeter. So area equation is half DH. Here base you have to consider as AC because perpendicular is here. Okay, height is here from B to this side. That means AC is the base. So here you have to consider base as AC, height as DB. Okay, like this. Now let's apply the values. Half into AC. AC is what? A to C. 2 here, 2 root 3 here. So total is 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, 2 portions. Now into dB. dB is what? 2 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3. Now let's simplify. Here this 2 and 2 we can cancel. Now next is 2 plus 2 root 3 outside the bracket 1 root 3. Okay, now need to simplify. You can write the answer as 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 3 centimeter square. If it is not specified, you can stop here. Okay, so area is root 3 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Next is perimeter. Okay, perimeter means sum of all the 3 sides. So first side is what? 4. So 4 plus next side is 2 root 6 plus next is 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, these two numbers we can add. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 3. Okay, up to this is enough. So perimeter is 6 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 3 centimeter, and area is root 3 into 2 plus 2 root 3 centimeter square. Next question. From the pairs of numbers given below, pick out those whose product is a natural number or a fraction. 5 sub-questions are given. This question, in each sub-question 2 numbers are given. Okay, you have to find the product of these numbers and you have to check whether the answer is a natural number or a fraction. Okay, so here is the first sub-question, 3 and 12. So let's find the product. So root 3 into root 12 product. Okay, as I told you, product means both are different numbers, so you can use the whole bracket. 3 into 12. Like this you can write 3 into root 12. What is 3 into root 12? 12 into 3 is 36. Okay, root of 36. What is the root value of 36? We know the value. 6 6 are what? 36. Okay, so root 36 is 6. So 6 is which number? 6 is a natural number. Okay, so first answer is product is a natural number. Now the second sub question is root 3 and root of 1.2. Okay, root of 1.2. Now here also we have to find the product. So root 3 into root of 1.2. Okay, that is equal to root of 3 into 1.2. Okay, so product is the same, only change comes in point. 3.6. Okay, so here we got the answer as 3.6. Now root of 3.6. What is 3.6 root value? Here answer is 6. Here answer is 0.6. Now root value of root of 3.6 is 0.6, not 6. Like this you can say that 6 6 are 36. 6 here, balance 3. 6 into 0 0, 0 plus 3 3. You have to put one point here. Then 0 into 0, answer is what? 3.6. Okay, that means root 3.6 is 0.6 and it is not a natural number, it is a fraction. Why it is fraction? 0.6 we can write like this, 6 by 10. Okay, so second one answer is product is a fraction. Third one you can do. Okay, 5 and 8 same like this, just multiply and check last answer is a fraction or natural number. If it is not a natural number you can write it as a fraction. Okay, now next fourth one is 0.5 and 8. So answer will be what? Root of 0.5 into 8. Okay, so 0.5 into 8, when you do this you will get the answer 4.0. okay, we'll show you 0.5 and 8. 8 5s are 40. 4 here. 8 0 0. 0 plus 4 4. 4.0. 4.0 means it is the same as 4. Okay. Now root 4. What is root 4? Root 4 answer is 2. That means it is a natural number. Okay. Answer is a natural number. Next last one. Fifth sub question, that is root of 7.5 and 3 1 by 3. Here you have to convert this into simple fraction. Okay, multiplication. Then simple fraction how? 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. That is 15 by 2. Okay, first one is 15 by 2. Into next 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. Tick mark. Okay, like this. So 10 by 3. Next is you have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means if anything to cancel you can do that. Here 2 and 10 can be cancelled. In 10 how many 2s? 5 2s are there. Now here 3. 3 and 15 can be cancelled. In 15 how many 3? 5 3s are there. So 5 into 5 is root 25. Okay, now what is root 25? Answer is 5. 5 is which number? 5 is a natural number. Okay, so that's all about this section, multiplication. Okay, give more importance to these type of questions. Okay.